Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can reheat your food or any food you want in your microwave. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your food in your microwave like so. I have my food in there. It's a Hot Pocket. That's the only thing I'm going to be cooking. Now what you want is either you can press the start button like this. Like you can either go the clear, stop. This is right here. Right here. Stop and clear. And then you can add your time like so. Clear. You want to clear, and then you usually can put 2 minutes. You want 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You can just press 2 minutes. But if you want to add like 30 seconds more, like 30 seconds, you see 30 seconds right there. Just press the start button for 30 seconds. But I'm gonna put 2 minutes for this example. Now what you want to do, it says end. What you want to do is take out your food like so. You just want to open it like so and take out your food. Make sure you have something, or it has a wrapper so it won't be hot. So when you grab it, it won't be hot. I'm just gonna put it here for now. Now, what you want to do is, now that you're done, I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of these buttons right here. You see right here, you have popcorn, potato, pizza, beverage, frozen, reheat. I don't really pay attention to these buttons when I'm reheating the food. I already know what temperature, what minute the food needs to be. Right here you have clock and cook, timer, speed, defrost, and rate defrost and power. Clock, cook. You can set the time the seconds you want, or minutes, like so. 1:30, 30. See right there, 1:30. I don't know if you can see that. It says 1:30 right there. And press start. I press stop. I will do it for you so you know how to do it. Press cook, and then you press one or whatever minute you want with the seconds after it. I put 30, then press start. And you see, that's how to add any amount with seconds on it. Now it says hold 30 seconds. I'm gonna hold it for 30 seconds. It says lock. That's in case a kid comes and you don't want it to press it. You don't want it to press any buttons. Like so. See, look. You see, you can't press any buttons. You see, I'm trying to press a button and it says lock. And that's so kids don't come in and press any buttons by accident and start a fire with this microwave. And then you can add express lock. You see right there, I added express lock. Now to remove the lock, you can just hold for 30 seconds. And you see it's removed, and now you can start like so. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to reheat your food with the microwave. Bye.